Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the new case matches your AirPods model and charging it above 20% so firmware and pairing won't fail. Once done, remove the AirPods from the old case and set them on a clean, soft surface to avoid scratches. Make sure to inspect both hinge and LED indicators so you can tell if the new case is functional before swapping. This prevents mid-transfer power drops and helps you diagnose issues early, so proceed only when both cases look and charge normally. You now transfer the AirPods into the new case, seating each bud fully until the LED or contact points indicate proper connection. This ensures charging continuity. Once seated, close the lid for about 10 to 15 seconds, then open it to prompt the case to enter its normal pairing or ready state. If the new case doesn't show signs of life, press and hold the setup button on the back for several seconds to force reset. Doing this clears stale pairings and readies the case to accept the buds cleanly. You finish by pairing the newly assembled set with your device. Open the lid near your phone or computer and follow the on-screen prompt to connect. Once paired, play audio to confirm left and right channels and check the battery widget to ensure both AirPods and the new case are charging. If something goes wrong, reset both the AirPods and case by holding the setup button until the LED blinks amber then white. Then repeat the pairing sequence. This usually resolves stubborn pairing or charging faults.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.